Every year, millions of old cars are crushed, flattened, stacked away in endless piles.
Welcome back to Next Gen Industrial Process, where we explore the world's most fascinating manufacturing and recycling operations. I'm your host. Before we jump into this incredible journey, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Our community of millions of viewers love exploring these industrial wonders.
Welcome to our world-class auto recycling facility. I'm your guide, and I'm going to show you exactly how we transform millions of tons of steel. Keep it coming straight back. Take it there. Whoa. Watch the right side. Watch the gate.
Pressure looks good on this side.
Okay, noted. Waiting on the scan results.
Watch the left side clearance.
Got it. A little more to the right.
Hold it there.
Liston. This is where our process truly shines. Watch as pure ferrous is collected. As the furnace reaches operating temperature, solid material begins to flow readily. At 1,000 degrees, the impurity oxidation stage begins.
Now comes the moment of casting. Molten steel pulls from the ladle, glowing as it abrasives and begins to solidify. Our casting is solidified enough to be removed from the mold, but it's far from cool. Rapid cooling would create internal stresses and potential cracks. This reheating furnace brings the casting to 1100 degrees Celsius, the hot rolling temperature. This allows the steel to flow and reshape without cracking. The casting emerges from the reheating furnace, glowing brilliant orange red. Now, the swift transfer. Here's the industrial rolling mill, one of the most impressive machines in our facility. This system consists of multiple Through successive rolling passes, our casting progressively transforms. Each stand applies different roll configuration. As we approach the final rolling passes, precision becomes everything. The rail profile is now fully formed. The fully rolled rail emerges from the mill still glowing hot. Now begins the critical cooling process. Our completed rail is now cool and ready for the finishing stages. Specialized handling equipment carefully positions our rail on the transport system. The rail surface is thoroughly cleaned, removing mill scale and oxidation. Advanced laser scanning creates a detailed topographical map. Railway track specifications are extremely precise. Our laser measurement system captures all critical dimensions at multiple points along the entire rail length. Tensile testing measures force and stretch. Impact testing measures absorbed energy. Hardness testing ensures surface samples are prepared, polished to a mirror finish, chemically etched, and examined under powerful microscopes. Every rail is uniquely marked with its production information, including date, batch, and complete traceability for accountability and critical infrastructure. All measurements, tests, and inspections are reviewed. If criteria are met, the rail receives official certification. Certified rails are organized into shipment bundles. Spacers prevent metal contact, while strapping forms stable units. Every rail is accompanied by comprehensive documentation. This documentation package ensures accountability and meets the highest standard. Our completed rails are now ready to begin their journey. Specialized transport vehicles are loaded with our bundled rails. Our loaded vehicle departs, carrying rails worldwide. Meanwhile, new vehicles arrive to continue the cycle.
And here's where the journey truly comes full circle. Our manufactured rails have arrived at the rag to hair.
Recycling steel from cars uses 60% less energy, reducing carbon emissions. It preserves land and saves landfill space, protecting our planet. Recycled steel costs less, reducing manufacturing costs. Recycling creates jobs and recovers valuable materials. This is smart economics, creating jobs and reducing costs. The traditional linear economy extracts, uses, and discard economy reuses end-of-life products as new raw materials. This is a genuine circle. The global automotive recycling industry operates at staggering scale. Approximately 130 million end-of-life vehicles enter the recycling stream annually.
Our quality management systems are certified to ISO 9001, ensuring consistent quality.
Let's directly compare virgin steel production to our recycled steel process. Virgin steel starts with mining, which is energy and carbon efficient and just as strong.
Modern vehicles present new recycling challenges, from complex composites to battery systems. The industry is
As electric vehicles become mainstream, battery recycling becomes increasingly important. Lithium-ion batteries.
Our innovative water treatment process achieves 437% conservation, resulting in a 270.
Worker safety is our top priority, with mandatory PPE, comprehensive training, and health monitoring ensuring a safe professional workplace. This facility employs hundreds of local workers, supports suppliers, contributes to the tax base, and partners with local schools. This facility represents the current state of automotive recycling technology and practices. But we're not stated building. This facility has processed millions of vehicles, recovered millions of tons steel, and created systems. This facility is part of a global network with similar operations on every continent, adapted to local needs. AI systems sort materials with high accuracy, recovering robots handle hazard and efficiency. Sensors enable real-time control. We take pride in creating products that are both economically valuable and environmental.
This process is
environment advantage.
What you've seen depends on society choosing sustainable options. In your vehicle for circulars on
This facility is part of a complex ecosystem of specialized organizations, vehicle networks, logistics. This is what next-gen industrial process is all about, taking you deep inside the world's most fascinating industrial operations.
What surprised you about this recycling process? Share your thoughts and help our community grow.